Welcome to Master Your Life. This channel is all about learning the skills schools don't always teach, like managing money, staying safe, and building independence. Each video is made for educational purposes, giving you general information you can use in everyday life. We're not here to replace professional advice, but to help you feel confident, informed, and ready to take on the real world. Let's get started. Money decisions aren't always about math. They're about habits, priorities, and timing. Let's look at how to make smart choices in everyday situations. Imagine you get paid from a part-time job. The first question is, do you spend it, save it, or use it to cover something important? A smart step is to put aside a small amount into savings first. Even $10 starts to build your safety net. Now think about buying something you want versus something you need. Needs are essentials: food, transportation, school supplies. Wants are extras like new shoes or video games. Meeting your needs first keeps you stable. Wants can wait until you know your budget can handle them. Here's another situation. Your debit card is lost. What's the smartest action? Don't keep spending with a backup card without thinking. Call your bank right away to freeze the lost card. Protecting your money always comes before spending. Smart decisions also include preparing for emergencies. Having backup cash and a little savings means you don't have to borrow in a panic. The big lesson is this: every dollar is a choice. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I need this now? Can I save some for later? And how do I protect what I already have? Thinking this way helps you avoid mistakes and build confidence with money. Making financial decisions is not about being perfect. It's about slowing down, asking the right questions, and building habits that keep you safe and prepared for the future.